Thanks for checking out my free tap dance classes. This dance class video is a recording of the free online tap classes that I teach weekly. This is of an intermediate tap level, but I also teach an extreme beginner tap dance class. You can find the link in the description below too. Also join the Facebook below for details on the free tap dance lessons. If you can't attend the weekly live classes, definitely subscribe to this channel so you can learn to tap dance with the tutorials and live class recordings. I also post contests you can enter to win free private tap dance lessons with me. Happy tapping! So we're gonna do the shuffle warm up 7 3 1 1 1, and then we're gonna do it straight. So you'll do them here, and then after we do the singles 1 1 1 1, we're gonna go right to doing the whole pattern again to the side. I went over that with you guys last week, right? In between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock is your in between like 1 and 2 o'clock is that angle for a side shuffle. So Allison, and you know, so if you're in first position and you go to the side, that's your second position. It's not, you know, all the way over there. So I want to do the shuffle straight and then do them slightly turned out, the same pattern in the second position without stopping. So we'll do the 7 3 1 1 1 straight and then out to the side. 5 6, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and switch. And 1 and 7 and switch. And 3 and 2 and 1 and switch. And 3 and 2 and now just 1 and 1 and switch. 1 and switch. 1 and switch. Now 7 side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, switch, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, switch. 3 2 1 and switch. 3 2 1 and switch. Just 1 and switch. Just 1 and switch. But so now I want to do the pattern where you start with the step. So it's 1, and you do the 7 here. And we added the heel in between last week too. So we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then step on the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Now 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Now just 1. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Okay, so if you so choose, you can still start it with the step and then do the shuffle hops, or you can leap onto it, whatever you want. So even when you switch, you can step onto it to start, or you can leap it. When you do this leap, it's on your toe, and then you shuffle, and your hop is all on your toe. So also for balance issues, I'm going to practice doing the 3 shuffles instead of the 7, because then you get to switch sooner. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now step on your left and let's do 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now you would switch. 1 and the side to the front to the side. Again 3. 1 to the side, to the front, to the side. 1 to the side, to the front, to the side. So yeah, so same pattern as before, only you start to the side. I said it wrong before. And you do it like this. And when you do it fast, it looks really cool. And I'm not going to leap and hop it because I'll kick her in the head probably. I don't want to kick my pumpkin. So you could leap it and hop, 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 and get really fast and fancy. Another option is a chug. Leap, shuffle, chug, shuffle, chug, shuffle, chug. This is hard to do slow. But that's another thing, is a chug is when you have all your weight on your foot and you slide it forward. You're on it and you go like that. So there's that. So you do paddle, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, switch. Paddle on the left. You can do it. Heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, step. Then it's the lap, heel, dig. Then 3 spank toe steps. Spank toe, step, spank toe, step, spank toe, step. Then the heel swivel thing, heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. Pretty sure there's only 2 of them. So it's heel, heel, step, step, toe, step, toe, step. So this is called like a heel climb, sometimes they call it, because it's like you're climbing up. And then you step down, down, and then you do a toe and together and a toe and together. Yeah. And it's fast with the song, and you do that twice in a row. So you go heel, heel, step, step, toe together, toe together. Heel, heel, step, step, toe together, toe together. Okay, so it goes heel, heel, down, down, toe, step, toe, step. Heel, heel, down, down, toe, step, toe, step. So let's do the whole thing without the music slowly. From the beginning. 5, 6, paddle right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. A lap, heel, dig, spank toe, step, spank toe, step, spank toe, step, heel, step, step, heel, step, fast you go. Heel, heel, down, down, toe, step, heel, heel, down, down, toe, step, toe, step. And then remember with the heel swivel thing, you can put a spank back in there. So you can go heel, step, spank, step, heel, step, spank, step. It's ready, go. Go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So I'm tapping the inside of my shoe. So it's not, well, it could be the sides of your taps or just the side of your shoe. It doesn't matter. It's going to make a different noise than anything else. But just because we all have different levels of ankle flexibility and stuff, you can just do it like this. Or if you want to just do it as a heel dig to the side, that's fine too. But what it really is this. So I'm putting my foot like this. Yeah. So you can just do a heel if you want, or you can just kind of do like you can't see my feet on here. Like a little bit like this. See, this is the foot I'm doing a little. Or you could do it a lot. It's like a quick bang, and it actually goes kind of far out because you have to make it go far out if you want to get a real side, position. Or you could just do this. It's up to you. So we would go like this. Heel, heel, down, down. We would do that twice.
Mommy,
What?
I'm on TV with you.
Okay, we're going to watch TV in a second. Oh, my pumpkin. Okay, so here we go. Let's just watch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
How is that to sing? Was that
If you want, you could just do heel, heel, step, heel, heel, step. Just make it big. Okay, I'm dying to teach this part. Heel, heel, down, down. You do this twice, then heel, heel, step, heel, heel, step. Heel, heel, down, down, heel, heel. So the whole thing would be up, up, down, down, this, this. Then you do that again. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Oh, God. All right.
Yeah. And so there's two ways, there's always more than one way, right? So instead of the hopping down, after this last one, you could just put your toes down. So you'll get the same noise without having to jump from your heels. Because it's just an awkward thing. So if you want to go up here, 7 and 8, and just slam them down, or 7 and 8. And you don't have to think of it as a jump back. It looks like a jump back because my toes are up, and they're like a little in front of me, but I'm holding on to a bar here, so I don't think I'm like got crazy good balance. Hold on. So you're here, you can just go like down. So instead of just smacking them down, you kind of lift your heels off and put them back down, but it's not like a huge big jump. It actually just looks cooler and it looks harder than it really is. So we go up, up, down, down, up, up, both down. Up, up, down, down, up, both down. Or like I said, you can just place your toes down. Up, up, down, down, up, down. And in that way, everything's going forward. So you're up and you're back. Now you're up, forward, going forward more for the toe thing. When you're going to the jump, it's more like under you. So you have a choice there. Paddle. Thing without the music. Okay. 5, 6, paddle right. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, switch. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, spank, heel, switch. Flat, heel, dig, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, spank, toe, step, heel, swivel, step. Heel, swivel, step, and heels. Heel, heel, down, down, toe together, heel, heel, down, down, toe together, side, heel together,